Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to demonstrate that FrameC can model any complicated framing system, and in fact you don't need AutoCAD or any other graphing or drafting software because FrameC can do the drafting easily. And I'm going to demonstrate that by modeling the very famous Sydney Harbour Bridge, as you can see in this image from the internet. In another angle you can see, or you can view the bridge, and it looks like this. So with that, I will start the modeling. Now to do that, start from the frame wizard and choose any initial frame. Okay, and it doesn't really matter because these are all dummy frame just to kickstart your modeling. So I'll just have to declare dummy dimensions, then okay, and then because I mean this is for the demonstration of creating the model, I don't have to worry the section libraries. Okay, and then we will transform this simple frame into a bridge. To do that, I will declare the main girder bridge, which has a length of 512 meters. I have the dimensions with me, so it's easy for me to read the dimensions and create the model. Okay, apply, exit. Now, since we will not need these elements here, I can just delete these. Okay, then okay, and then view the whole element. Okay, now there are 28 equal segments. You can see here there are 28 equal segments, as you can see in this image. So I will divide this girder into 28 equal segments. Okay, you can see these are now divided into 28 segments. Next, I will model the vertical elements. You can see here, these are the vertical elements. Okay, so I have the dimensions with me, so I can start creating the vertical elements. First, the length is 7.2. Okay, next 12.5. next is 19.5, 28.6, then 36.5, 40, no, next is 44, next is 50.9, next is 56, next is 60.5, next is 64.3, next is 67.5, then 69.9, then 71.6, 73.1, then 73.8. Okay, now as you can see, the other side is just the mirror image of the left side. So to model it quickly, I can use this button, create elements by symmetry, and then select the element. Okay, select the element. Okay, and then declare the plane of symmetry. The plane of symmetry is actually the YZ plane. So YZ plane, and then the coordinate along the YZ plane is this one, and then apply, and now you have now the complete model. Now the next thing I will do is to create the or model the top chords. Okay, as you can see here, so I will connect these nodes to create the top chord elements. Okay, slowly. Okay, slowly but surely. Now you can see that our model is now beginning to look like a bridge, which was initially a building frame. Okay, next, and then right mouse click to finish, and then exit. Next is to model the bottom chords. For that, I have to divide the vertical elements to get the nodes of the bottom chords. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The first thing I need to do is to divide 1, 2, 3 these elements into unequal segments, and I have the dimensions with me. It's 12.1. okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next is this, and divide 21.3. Next is this and this, divide 29.4. Next is this and this, divide 36.5. Oh my, I think I made a mistake here. This should have been the 36.5. It's alright. 36.5. Now I have to delete this because I made a mistake, and then create another element, and then right mouse click, exit. Now then divide this an equal segment of 42.4. Divide this into 47.3. Next is this, 51.1. Next is this and this. 53.8. Next is this and this. 56. And this one is 56 as well. Okay. Yeah, I forgot. Okay, now I have the nodes for the bottom chords. So what I need to do is to connect these nodes. Okay, we're almost there. Okay, then right mouse click to finish, exit. Now as you can see, there are diagonals in the bridge. So next thing I will do is to create the diagonals. Okay, so diagonals are going like that. Okay, from here, the middle is actually here, so the diagonals are from here to here. Right mouse click, 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 here to here. Okay, it's very simple. Okay, then right mouse click to finish. This, then right mouse click to finish. Okay, now I can do I think it's quicker if I'll just use the symmetry. So click this button, then select these elements, select this element. Okay, and then declare the plane of symmetry, which is still the YZ axis, and then click the one of the coordinate in the plane of symmetry, and then apply, and it's done. So you see here, it's now beginning to look like a bridge. So what I need to do next, I think it's still the same. I need to connect this here to here, here to here, here to here, then the same thing, here to here, then here to here, here to here, then I think this one as well, and this one as well. Then right mouse click, exit. Now let's check the model again. Okay, I need to model this one here underneath the bridge deck. Okay, now I have to look at the dimensions I prepared. Okay, I think that this this one to the bottom is 50.3. okay, here is 50.3 as well, and here is minus 35.7. this one is the same. This one is okay, is 22. So it's 22 on the other side. Then this one is minus 10. Apply. And this one is minus 10. Exit. And I will connect these nodes. Okay. The same thing here, I will connect. Okay, exit. Now it's beginning to look like a bridge. So what I need to do next is to declare or if hang on okay, so there is this is just one side of the bridge, so there is a symmetrical image of this one side to the other side. So what I will do is to select all these elements and then create elements by symmetry, and then okay, hang on, okay, create image by symmetry. I think this one. I think I just have to I can make an array, create an array of existing elements. Okay, or what I will do is just to first select all these elements, then create an array and quantity array along the z-axis. Quantity is 1. Say the spacing is, I will assume it's 30 meters, and then apply. See, what you have now is, see here, two symmetrical elements or frames. So what you need to do next is to just create the other members. So I think I have to stop here, and I think I have shown to you how to create models in using the frame CE. And I hope you learned something from here and have fun.